Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the HTML and the CSS. Today we are going to learn how to create a tooltip with the help of the CSS and the HTML. Here you can see that there's a tooltip. So let me give some space to that one. There you can see that this is the tooltip. Okay, position relative, display in block. Okay, and I will add margin top to see that. Okay, 20 pixels. Now you can see that when I click on the hover, you can see that the tooltip or make it more here. Now you can see that this is the tooltip. Okay. So how we are going to create such a tooltip in with the help of the HTML and CSS, we are going to learn in this video. Okay. So here we go with that one. So this you need to add. This is the CSS part. First of all, this is basically a div class which we are taking a tooltip. Then there is a span where there is a text. Okay. So this is the tooltip. Okay. So main div. Okay. This is a div, and in that div you need to take a span. Okay. And then you have to do the styling part. Okay. So here we have the tooltip. Okay. If I go and just click on that one, this is the styling, that is position relative, display inline block, margin top I have given. After that we have the span class. So let me explain you. Visibility, first time its visibility is hidden because on hover we want to make it visible. So first visibility hidden, width, background color, text line, border radius, padding, position to be absolute, z index that it should be showing for that one, bottom left, margin left, opacity, and the transition. So when I click on that one, I need to check with the hover effect, right? So let me check on hover this one. So here we have the hover. So I'm adding the hover one and the class appears. Okay. On hover, what we have done, visibility, visible, opacity 1. By default, you can see that opacity is 0 and the visibility is hidden when there is a no hover. When there is no hover, when there is a hover, that means it will, visibility should be visible and opacity should be 1. So that is the CSS that we are using. Okay. And anything else which I missed? I think no. Tooltip and the visibility, nothing else. Okay. So this is how you are able to create a nice tooltip with the help of the HTML and the CSS. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.